Hi everyone, I'm Arthur from Young Guns Motorcycles. Today we're doing a video of this really cute Suzuki TS 1971 model.
Wow.
Lawrence, mate, come over here. Show these guys here the odometer. It's got just over 4,700 miles from new on that.
Right.
And the compliance plate is at the front here.
Okay, let's get in there.
You can just see it up through here. Let's see the compliance plate.
There you go.
Engine number, chassis number,
Yeah.
etc. 89cc. The weight's also 89 kilograms. It's been sitting for a number of years on a farm at Little Hartley with the original owner, and like this has barely been used. It's in really nice original condition. Original hand grips with the S on here on the grips. The original kickstart rubber, foot brake rubbers, tail light. Like, it's quite nice. Anyway, let's start up so you can see how it goes. It's actually pretty quiet too for a two-stroke, but I'll put on the earmuffs anyway. Ignition on, fuel tap on's already, and the choke's over here. So I started from cold.
Righto.
Okay, so I'll give it a couple of slow laps to warm it up, then we'll get into it. But this is pretty cute.
Okay. Okay. Whoa.
Well, that is super cute. Amazing.
It's great.
Okay, so that's the bike. Over here too, it comes with a whole lot of bits and pieces. I've got a box full of parts in here. A few little rubbers in there, parts from CSNL, the Netherlands, Western Motorcycles, bits and pieces. Also to Paul Miller. That's its original owner's manual there. That's a copy of a sale brochure when it was new.
Right on.
So, pretty cool. Now don't forget, people, Young Guns Motorcycles is a hobby-based workshop. We make zero profit from any of these restorations that we do. This is a hobby. We do it because we love it and enjoy it. If I can say to you too, that the planet is actually in dire straits. I'm talking about carbon emissions. If you can Google Jeremy Rifkin, the third industrial revolution, he talks about the planet, carbon, phytoplankton, ice caps melting, temperature increasing throughout the world. It's actually quite nasty. So let's do our own bit to reduce our own personal carbon footprint. This is the bike. I hope it goes to a nice collector. This colour scheme, the U model, is actually quite rare. Especially the condition of it too, it's so superb. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Arthur from Young Ghost Motorcycles. Till next time, take care of yourself.